Hey guys, here's a step-by-step guide on how to add Wi-Fi to your control center, right? So basically, let me walk you through the steps, okay? So if we swipe down to see our control center right here and we run it on iOS 18, so Apple has introduced a new control center which we can customize and add different controls to it. But there is currently a connectivity widget that has our Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, as you can see it right here, right, and other controls. So which we can't customize at the moment, and they make up a bunch of space. But I'm gonna show you a little trick on how to add. You can add Wi-Fi toggle as a separate control by using our shortcut app, and the process is pretty simple. So let's get right into it. So the very first thing that you want to do is to open the shortcuts application, right, on your iPhone. So, and I'm gonna just go ahead and open up the shortcut application. Okay, so after I open the shortcut application right here, you're gonna see the basically shortcut app, right? And then basically what you're gonna do now, you're gonna just go over the app store, reinstall it again if you don't have the app. And for this tab, in order to create and add that Wi-Fi toggle, once we are in the shortcuts app, make sure that the shortcut section is selected at the bottom left right here. You're gonna see it, and then click on all shortcuts, right? And you're gonna be able to see all of your shortcuts right here. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go back right here. You're gonna see this is the initial interface. Go ahead and click all shortcuts. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click the plus button to create a new shortcut, right? So now I'm gonna create a new shortcut, and basically now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just search action right here, okay, and then type Wi-Fi. Okay, for this we're gonna just click set Wi-Fi, right, to tap on, and then we will create an action to turn Wi-Fi on. But we just have to make a small adjustment and then click to turn right here. Instead of the turn button, I'm gonna go ahead right here and then select toggle. Okay, and then the next step to customize our toggle by adding the name, color, and icon in order for it to look like a Wi-Fi control. So I will tap right here the set Wi-Fi, and then I'm gonna rename it, right, or click the little arrow right here at the top. So I'm gonna rename it. Let's have an example, Wi-Fi, right, and then I'm gonna just hit done. Now I'm gonna tap the arrow again at the top. Okay, if you want to change the color, right, you can just choose an icon. You can choose a unique color for that, and then hit done at the top after you finish. Okay, now after you finish doing that, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and hit done at the top. Okay, basically after you finish, just hit done at the top right here and done one more time. And now that we created our Wi-Fi control, all we have to do is to add it to our control center. If you don't know how to do it, just open your control center by going back to your screen, swipe down, and then just hold right here to see the settings, right? And then basically I can just go ahead and add the control, or I can just go ahead and click the plus button at the top. Click the plus button right here, and then click add control, right? And then basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna just try to find the Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna just type right here shortcut, right? I'm gonna add the shortcut right here. As you can see, I'm gonna choose the shortcut, right? And then you're gonna see right here the Wi-Fi, right? And then after you select the Wi-Fi, just go ahead and add the shortcut. As you can see, now we added in our control center. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.